Did you know constipation doesn't have to be your body's new normal as you age? Many believe that with each passing year, their digestion is destined to slow down, leaving bloating, discomfort, and irregularity as inevitable annoyances. But here's the truth. Your gut doesn't come with an expiration date. If you've been battling stubborn digestion, unpredictable bloating, or that frustrating stuck feeling, you're far from alone. Millions of older adults face this daily, often reaching for quick fixes like fiber powders or laxatives. Sure, they might offer short-term relief, but at what cost? Cramps, dependency, or even making the problem worse over time. But what if the real fix wasn't in your medicine cabinet, but in your fridge? Today, we're diving into 7 powerhouse foods that don't just mask digestive woes. They transform your gut from the inside out. These aren't trendy superfoods or hard-to-find ingredients. They're time-tested, science-backed, and probably sitting in your local grocery store right now. Even better, they're delicious, easy to use, and work with your body, not against it. So if you're ready to ditch the discomfort, boost your energy, and finally feel light and regular without relying on pills, stick around. By the end of this, you'll have a simple, natural game plan to revive your digestion and enjoy every bite along the way. Let's begin. Pears. The overlooked superfruit for digestive health. Pears often go unnoticed in grocery aisles, overshadowed by more popular fruits like apples and bananas. However, these juicy, nutrient-rich fruits are packed with benefits, particularly for digestion. As we age, maintaining gut health becomes increasingly important, and pears offer a natural, gentle way to support it. Unlike some high-fiber foods that can be harsh on the digestive system, pears provide a well-balanced combination of soluble and insoluble fiber. Soluble fiber absorbs water, softening stools and making them easier to pass, while insoluble fiber adds bulk, promoting regular bowel movements. What truly sets pears apart is their natural content of sorbitol, a sugar alcohol that helps draw water into the intestines. This process eases constipation without causing discomfort or sudden urgency, making pears one of the most stomach-friendly solutions for digestion. Beyond their digestive benefits, pears contribute to overall health in various ways. They are loaded with antioxidants that help combat inflammation, vitamin C to support a robust immune system, and potassium to regulate blood pressure. Unlike processed fiber supplements, pears work harmoniously with the body, offering a natural and effective approach to wellness without artificial additives. Incorporating pears into your diet is effortless. Enjoy them fresh for a refreshing snack, slice them into oatmeal or yogurt for a fiber-rich breakfast, pair them with nuts for a balanced snack, or blend them into smoothies for a nutritious boost. Their versatility makes them an easy addition to any meal plan, providing both flavor and health benefits. If you've been struggling with digestion and conventional methods haven't worked, it may be time to reconsider pears. Sometimes, the most effective solutions are also the simplest. By making pears a regular part of your diet, you might be surprised at how this unassuming fruit can lead to significant improvements in your overall well-being. Stay tuned as we explore more natural foods that have stood the test of time in promoting digestive health. 2. Prunes. Nature's most trusted remedy for digestion. Prunes have long been recognized as a natural solution for constipation, yet they are often overlooked. Perhaps their wrinkled appearance or their association with aging makes them seem outdated, but beneath their humble look lies one of the most effective digestive aids available. What makes prunes so powerful is their unique combination of fiber and sorbitol. Unlike some high-fiber foods that may cause bloating or discomfort, prunes work gently and consistently. They contain soluble fiber, which absorbs water and softens stool for easier passage, and insoluble fiber, which adds bulk to promote regularity. However, the real key lies in their high sorbitol content. Sorbitol is a natural sugar alcohol that draws water into the intestines, acting as a mild laxative without the sudden urgency or cramping that some artificial laxatives can cause. For years, Henry, a 73-year-old retired teacher, relied on over-the-counter laxatives, hoping for relief. He tried fiber powders, stool softeners, and even prescription medications, yet none provided lasting results. His digestion felt sluggish and discomfort was a constant struggle. Then, during a routine checkup, his doctor made a simple yet surprising recommendation: try prunes. Skeptical but willing to give it a shot, Henry started eating just 3 prunes a day. Within a week, he noticed a significant change. His digestion felt natural, the bloating disappeared, and for the first time in years, he was no longer preoccupied with his stomach issues. Beyond digestive relief, prunes offer additional health benefits. They are rich in potassium and magnesium, essential minerals that support heart health, muscle function, and overall well-being. Prunes also contain antioxidants that help combat inflammation, making them a powerhouse for healthy aging. Adding prunes to your diet is simple. Eat them as a quick snack, chop them into cereal or oatmeal, blend them into smoothies, or even use them in baking as a natural sweetener. Their naturally sweet flavor makes them a delicious and nutritious choice for improving gut health. If digestion has been a persistent challenge, it may be time to give prunes a chance. Sometimes, the most trusted remedies stand the test of time for a reason. With both pears and prunes in your diet, you can take a natural, effective approach to maintaining a healthy digestive system and overall well-being. 3. Chia seeds. The tiny powerhouse for digestion at first glance, chia seeds may seem too small to make a difference, but their benefits for digestion are remarkable. These tiny black seeds have been used for centuries to support gut health, sustain energy, and promote overall well-being. If you struggle with constipation, bloating, or sluggish digestion, chia seeds offer a gentle yet highly effective solution, one that works naturally with your body rather than forcing it into action like synthetic remedies. What makes chia seeds so special? Their ability to absorb water and form a gel-like substance when mixed with liquid. This gel coats the intestines, softens stool, and makes elimination smoother and more comfortable. Unlike fiber supplements that can sometimes cause bloating or discomfort, chia seeds provide a natural, gradual way to improve digestion. Each tiny seed is packed with both soluble and insoluble fiber, ensuring that food moves efficiently through the digestive tract without creating strain or irritation. Margaret, a 69-year-old woman, struggled with unpredictable digestion for years. Some days she felt bloated and uncomfortable, while other days she experienced stubborn constipation. She had tried fiber powders, but they often left her feeling too full and uneasy. Then, during lunch with a friend, she heard about chia seeds. The idea that something so small could make such a big impact seemed unlikely, but she decided to give them a try. Each morning, she added a spoonful to her yogurt, stirring them in and letting them swell before eating. Within a few days, she noticed a remarkable difference. Her digestion felt lighter, her stomach more at ease, and for the first time in years, she felt in control of her gut health. Beyond digestion, chia seeds offer even more benefits. They are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation, and magnesium, which aids in relaxing intestinal muscles, further promoting smooth bowel movements. Additionally, they help stabilize blood sugar levels, preventing energy crashes and keeping you feeling full longer. Unlike traditional laxatives that can lead to dependency, chia seeds provide a sustainable, everyday solution that strengthens digestion naturally. Incorporating chia seeds into your diet is effortless. You can sprinkle them over oatmeal, blend them into smoothies, stir them into water or juice, or make a simple chia pudding by soaking them overnight in milk or almond milk. The key is allowing them to absorb liquid before consuming, enabling them to work their magic in your digestive system. If you've been searching for a way to ease constipation without discomfort, ask yourself, could something as simple as chia seeds be the missing piece? Sometimes, the smallest changes lead to the greatest transformations. A spoonful of these tiny seeds each day could be the gentle, natural solution your body has been waiting for. For oatmeal, the gentle fiber that keeps you regular. A warm bowl of oatmeal in the morning is more than just a comforting breakfast. It is a powerful ally for digestion. Oatmeal contains a unique blend of soluble and insoluble fiber, making it one of the most effective foods for maintaining regularity. The soluble fiber, particularly beta-glucan, absorbs water, forming a gel that softens stool and promotes the growth of healthy gut bacteria. Meanwhile, the insoluble fiber adds bulk, helping food move smoothly through the digestive system. Joe, a 74-year-old man, struggled with irregular digestion for years. Fiber supplements left him bloated and uncomfortable, providing little relief. Then, his doctor suggested something simple. Start each morning with a bowl of oatmeal. Skeptical but willing to try, Joe noticed a change within a week. His stomach felt lighter, discomfort faded, and for the first time in years, digestion felt effortless. Beyond digestion, oatmeal helps stabilize blood sugar, supports heart health, and provides long-lasting energy. Its versatility makes it easy to enjoy, whether sweet with fruit and honey or savory with nuts and seeds. Simple yet effective, oatmeal is a natural way to support gut health every day. 5. Sweet potatoes. A delicious way to stay regular. Sweet potatoes are not just a comforting and tasty food. They are one of the most effective natural remedies for digestive health. Packed with both soluble and insoluble fiber, sweet potatoes help soften stool and add bulk to keep digestion moving smoothly without discomfort. Their high magnesium and potassium content further supports intestinal muscle relaxation, making bowel movements more effortless. Eleanor, a 71-year-old woman, struggled with digestive discomfort for years. After trying fiber powders, laxatives, and increasing her water intake with no lasting relief, she decided to incorporate sweet potatoes into her diet. Within days, she noticed significant improvements. Her stomach felt lighter, her digestion became more regular, and mealtime was no longer a source of discomfort. Beyond gut health, sweet potatoes are packed with antioxidants and vitamin A, which support overall health, reduce inflammation, and strengthen the immune system. They are also incredibly versatile, whether baked, mashed, roasted, or blended into soups. They provide a delicious and nutritious way to maintain digestive regularity. If you're looking for a gentle yet effective way to improve digestion, sweet potatoes might be the perfect addition to your diet. Sometimes, the best remedies are not found in medications but in the simple, nourishing foods we eat every day. 6. Kefir. The gut-friendly drink that restores digestion for many people over the age of 65. Digestive discomfort has become an accepted part of daily life. The bloating, sluggishness, and unpredictable bathroom habits may seem inevitable, but the key to restoring smooth digestion might be simpler than you think. Kefir. This fermented dairy drink is packed with probiotics that can reset and restore your gut from the inside out. Unlike fiber supplements, which simply add bulk to stool, kefir addresses constipation at its root cause, gut bacteria imbalance. Over time, stress, medications, and a lack of probiotics in the diet can deplete good bacteria, leading to slower digestion. Kefir contains billions of live probiotics that help restore a balanced microbiome, allowing digestion to function naturally and efficiently. Walter, 75, had struggled with constipation for years, trying everything from fiber supplements to laxatives with little success. On his doctor's recommendation, he started drinking a small glass of kefir every morning. Within a week, he noticed a remarkable change. His digestion became effortless, and discomfort disappeared. Unlike regular dairy, kefir is fermented, making it easier to digest, even for those with lactose sensitivity. Its probiotics actively colonize the gut, promoting long-term digestive health. Whether consumed on its own, blended into a smoothie, or poured over cereal, kefir is one of the most powerful natural remedies for digestion. 7. Leafy greens. The ultimate gut cleanser. Leafy greens have long been a staple in the diets of some of the world's longest living populations, and for good reason. They offer far more than just nutritional value. They play a crucial role in digestive health, helping to prevent constipation and promote overall well-being. As we age, digestion often slows down, making irregularity more common. However, leafy greens provide a natural and effective way to support gut health. Unlike fiber supplements that simply add bulk to stool, leafy greens work holistically to aid digestion. They contain both soluble and insoluble fiber, ensuring food moves smoothly through the intestines without discomfort or bloating. Insoluble fiber acts as a gentle cleanser, helping to clear waste from the digestive tract, while soluble fiber absorbs water, softening stool and making it easier to pass. This natural combination encourages regularity without the need for harsh interventions. But their benefits extend beyond fiber content. Greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are packed with magnesium, a vital mineral that supports muscle function, including the muscles in the intestines. A lack of magnesium can lead to sluggish digestion, resulting in discomfort and constipation. By incorporating magnesium-rich greens into your diet, Take Barbara, for example. At 72, she struggled with constipation for years despite drinking plenty of water and trying various fiber supplements and over-the-counter laxatives. Nothing provided consistent relief. Then, she discovered the importance of magnesium and fiber from leafy greens. Although skeptical, she started adding a serving of greens to her daily meals, sometimes sautéing spinach in olive oil, other times blending kale into her morning smoothie. Within a week, she noticed significant improvements. Her digestion became smoother, bloating disappeared, and she no longer felt heavy after meals. Beyond digestive health, leafy greens support heart function, bone strength, and brain health, making them a true superfood for aging bodies. They are rich in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as powerful antioxidants that reduce inflammation and strengthen the immune system. Adding leafy greens to your diet is simple. You can blend them into smoothies, toss them into salads, add them to soups, or sauté them as a side dish. Their versatility makes them an easy and delicious way to naturally cleanse your gut, improve digestion, and boost energy levels. If you've been dealing with digestive irregularity, ask yourself, are you providing your body with the nutrients it needs to function at its best? The answer may not lie in medications or supplements, but in the nutrient-rich foods that nature has provided all along. Leafy greens are more than just a healthy addition to your plate. They are a key to feeling lighter, more energetic, and free from digestive discomfort. Aging doesn't mean you have to endure digestive discomfort. Your body is designed to function well at any stage of life if you give it the right support. We've explored 7 powerful foods: pears, prunes, chia seeds, oatmeal, sweet potatoes, kefir, and leafy greens, each working naturally to restore balance, enhance regularity, and improve overall health. Unlike laxatives or synthetic supplements, these foods offer gentle, long-term relief by working with your body, not against it. The best part? Making a change doesn't have to be overwhelming. Start small. Add a pear to your breakfast, enjoy a handful of prunes as a snack, or swap your usual cereal for a bowl of oatmeal. Simple choices like these can lead to significant improvements in digestive health and overall well-being. Which of these foods will you try first? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. Here's to living with comfort, vitality, and a happy gut.